Hi, my name is Marcia Lozada, and today I'm going to be explaining the To-Do feature in Google Classroom. Right now, I am in the classroom that I created for this class. You can see that I'm on the front page here with the announcements and the assignments listed there. If you go up to the left-hand corner, the three lines, and you click on that, there's a drop-down menu and you select To Do. And you come here and it's nice. It sorts it by the things that are in progress according to the dates that they're due. You can see here that of the items that I still need to review, this is in the to review um, tab. There are a couple of things that have no due dates, and then there's things that are works in progress. So either they have already been assigned and um, and they haven't been done by anyone. Um, so you can look down through here. We have April 7th all the way up through April 30th. Obviously, it's a fictitious class, so no one has done that yet, so it's still in progress. If I want to see what things I have already reviewed, then I can go to this tab, which is reviewed. It looks like I have already reviewed the assignments that have been returned for the standards in the classroom. And so if I change my mind on that and decide that I want to mark something as not reviewed so that it puts it back on my to-do list, then I can simply mark that here. And when I go back to the tab to review, it's back on there again. And if I want to review it, then I again hit the three dots there. I'm just going to go ahead and review the three items that we did for our class. Since they've all been graded and it's kind of wrapped up and done, I go to the review tab, I see that they are there. And so it's no longer on my to-do list and I don't have to really think about it much more after that. Another feature, I'll go back to the review list here. Another feature is you can see what different classes you have. So you don't have to, you can just switch back and forth between the classrooms that you have and the classes that you're teaching, and it's really easy to do it right here. You can look at all classes listed together if you want, or if you would just like to look at it in a case-by-case basis, then you just select the one. And because I already have reviewed those three for our classrooms now, I have nothing on my to-do list. So it's a handy feature to have everything right at your fingertips, and you can decide exactly what you have left to do when you sit down. So it's a nice tool.